Okay guys, you can see here we kind of formed a base at the bottom, and it's a nice down move here and a nice move here, and it didn't take out the bottom, so we're looking like it's pretty solid, but you never know. So I'm going to put on a put spread. Hopefully it's not too far away. So let's see what we got here. Letting the numbers cool off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move it, and it takes a long time now with this thing here. So I've got to move it up to 55.60 or 40. I'm sorry, 43.60. Let's see if I got that. And 43.50. And that is 55. I'm going to put that on. Ooh, it's going away from me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't get away. And I think it did. 55. Okay, let's try to get 50. Damn. No, it's moving away. So I've got to move it up. I'm going up to, got 65. I'm just going to put that one in. I'm going to send that. Let's see if we get it. It's showing 63, so I'm going to go down a little bit. No, I'm not. I'm going to hold it here. Hold on. Okay, it's in. All right, let's look at the call side. Okay, that's really high. I'm going to move that up. Let's take it up to 44. There's so many different buttons I have to push now. Okay. That went too far. Okay, I'm going to go 45. So I'm going to go 40, 40, 44, 45. 55. Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct. No, it's great. No, it's 15. All right. Okay, so let's push this down a little bit. Really impossible, man. Okay. Got to go down a little bit more. You go to 44, 35, 44, 45, and we're at 55 here. I'm going to try to get that in. Let's see if we got it. We're at 50 now. Okay, I'm going to keep it at 55 because it's so darn hard to change these positions. I think we're going to get it. If we can go up a little bit. Okay, it's going. We're at 50 now. Whoop, nice move up. Nice, got it. Okay, so we got filled. Glad we waited. Hopefully we won't have to regret this one. We do have spreads, obviously, that we can move if we get threatened on the call side. All right, guys, thanks for hanging in, and see you on the other side.